everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So first time ko itong gagawin. I will do a hair rebonding at home. Since I still have a circuit breaker here in Singapore, it's very long and it's kinda wavy. Especially when your hair is getting longer and dito nag-wavy na siya. And also to check if this product is really good for type of hair like this. So just stay tuned, so we will see what will be the result. Okay, now I'm ready. By the way, this is the solution. So you just put in your hair. Just leave 2 centimeters away from the roots. Ang hirap pala mag-video ng sarili mo. Because you're trying to video yourself at the same time you want to see yourself in the mirror, so it's kinda multi-tasking. Okay, so I think I have a good position here. Talaga. It's not really easy. I realize. I think when you need to do this, you need to have a long patience. Or else baka lalong masira yung hair nyo. Don't use hair coloring as well, so it's natural. Okay, so now I do this. Oh wait, I think I mess up now my hair. So this part, now we are in the part of, I think, the most curly in my hair. Ito yung ayaw ko. The top part, which is the one that become very frizzy. So gusto ko siyang mag-concentrate dito.
고백해 취한 척이라도 해 딱 오늘부터 난 Yes I'm your lady 감췄던 내 진심을 이제 고백할래 도도한 컨셉 따위 오늘만 버릴래 I just make it good day 우리들의 sweet day 벌써부터 떨려 두근두근 떨려 영원히 오간직돼 추억에 빠져봐요
Okay guys, I'm finished with my first part. I will continue on the next part. Okay, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to my home rebonding. So this is the final result. Have you seen the difference before and after? But after this home rebonding, I realized that when it's your first time doing this, make sure that you don't stay the straightener solution too long to your hair, because it kind of give you a negative impact to your hair, especially on this part. I realized that it's become over dry. You can see here it's still you can notice that it's still wavy on this part, but it's not bad for me. I can still repeat this for maybe in a week or maybe for the next 2 weeks, so my hair will not be very abused. It's the product that I use. I bought this in online. So this is a Shiseido H1. H1 is for those hair which is thick and curly, and I think I recommend this for that kind of hair. First part, then you will put this neutralizer. It's also a Shiseido. This is very good, so at least your hair will come back to its natural state. And you can, as you can see, when I after I putting this, then together with conditioner, my hair is very soft. It's not like hard to comb, and that's why I can say that I'm totally satisfied. So I recommend this product. So but it still depends on the type of the hair you have. So you just need to choose what is the best product for you. So I'm not endorsing this, but since I tried it for the first time and it works for me, then I could recommend this also to you guys. Thank you guys. I hope you like it. Just like my videos. I hope you learn a lot. I hope I can still share whatever I can share here. Thank you so much for watching.